What if I told you, can you convert these types of recurring decimals into fractions in just a seconds? No calculator, no longer division. Today, I am going to show you a new Vedic math trick to convert a recurring decimal into a fractions in just a seconds. It's going to be quick and fun. Before going to trick, first we should know what is recurring decimal. Recurring decimal is one digit or a group of digits repeats after decimal point. So that we call as recurring decimals. Let us take an example. 0.4 bar. This only will write as 0.444. Means the number 4 will repeats. Here 0.47 bar. 0.474747 dash 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 like that. 001 001 dash dash dash. So that is only the recurrent decimal. Then our trick will apply. So observe here. 0.4 bar is there. So how we can convert into a fraction. So first write this number only at the numerator and denominator. If for this number the bar is applying. So we should write 19. So that's it. Easy, right? Yes. After decimal, 47 is there. So write 47 at the numerator and coming to denominator. So the bar contains and the bar is for two numbers. Right? If the bar is for two numbers, we should write 2 nines. Easy, right? Yes. And 001. So write 001 and bar is for three numbers. So we should write 999. 001 or you can write 1 over 999. See how fast it was? Now comes the slightly trickier part, means mixed numbers. Some are repeated numbers, some are not repeated. So let's have the example. 0.53 bar. If you observe here, the bar is only for 3. Means only 3 is repeating and 5 is not repeating. Okay. Then how to apply the trick? So first write the number what we have. So we have 53, right. After that, so here 5 does not contain bar. So that only we should subtract. Okay. So minus 5 divided by 5. Here the bar is only for one number. We should write 9 and 5 does not contain bar. For that we will write 0. Then 53 minus 5 is 48 by 90. So till that you can simplify. Cool, right? Yes. So next let us take 2.53 bar. Here the bar is for two numbers and along with we have 2. So you just consider this as a one number. Okay. So write it numerator. So 253. And here also said subtract with the number does not contain bar. Which number does not contain bar here? 2. So subtract here 2 divided by. So you should consider only after the decimal for writing at the numerator. Okay. And for a 53 it is bar is there. So we should write 2 times 9. So 99. 253 minus 2 is 251 by 319. Cool, right? It's easy. Next, let us do for 3.14 and here the bar is only for 4. Write the number as it is. So 314 and subtract with the number does not contain bar. So here we have 31, right? So write 31 divided by. Then after the decimal, here 4 contains bar. So for that we will write 9 and 1 does not contain bar. For that we will write 0. Then 283 divided by 9. Easy, right? Yes. Now you know how to convert recurring decimal into a fractions. In just a second, here you need to remember as 9 and zeros. When you have bar, you should write 9. When you don't have bar, write 0. Easy, right? Yes. If you learn this trick, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family and comment below the answer. What is 0.123 bar dash dash dash. Subscribe for more math hacks like this. See you in the next one. Till that, keep learning, keep calculating.